How to set up missed call text back. That's right. How many of you are missing sales because you are out in the field, you can't help it, you miss a call, but you actually don't have a system like missed call text the clients right away? They're more apt to actually respond. Seriously, my name is Stacia Kennedy, and if you are new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to share this out with a friend because you're going to want to know exactly how to set this up in GoHighLevel. You may have heard about it. You may have heard all the talks about missed call text back. If not, this is the perfect time. I had a conversation with a air conditioning person the other day where my landlord actually wanted to have them come over. Well, I was calling and calling different phone numbers she gave me, and I kept missing. Their call was actually going straight to a voicemail. And the voicemail said, "We're out in the field. We're so busy that we can't even answer you within until the next 24 to 48 hours." If I was actually a prospective customer that was looking to find someone right away, you would have lost me as a sale and I would have moved on to the next person. So how many of those calls are you missing out on in sales by not having a service like missed call text back? So as an agency owner, if you're working with local businesses, or if you are a local business and you're like, yeah, I don't want to miss any calls, but and in the texting age we are in, you're more likely able to have a text back from a client and be able to close that deal right then and there, rather than not being able to pick up that phone or having a follow-up system in place to make sure that you call back that customer right away, or meantime, in between time, making sure that they get a response right away, because the faster you get to the lead, the faster you can close. It's actually a proven fact. So I won't go into the statistics, but I want to go right into the video and show you exactly how to set it up in GoHighLevel. There's actually two ways that you can do this. And if you haven't watched my video on setting up your phone number in HighLevel and getting your A2P verified, you want to make sure you do that first, because otherwise, of course, you can't text back anybody. So in this video though, I want to share with you how to set up missed call text back, and there's actually two ways to do that. If you're new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe. My name is Stacia Kennedy, and I've done this so many times, but I actually have a sub account of mine that I'm like, oh, I need to set that up again also in this particular sub account, so I might as well show you how to do it while I do it for myself here in this account. So what you're going to do is, when you're in your sub account, you're going to go to the settings section down here on the bottom left, and this is the original way that you're most likely going to see it here at the bottom of on the right hand side. So you're going to be in your business profile settings, and then we're going to scroll down to the bottom right hand side here, and it says missed call text back. So you want to make sure to turn this on, and I already have my little reply, "Hi, it's Stacia's team." So if you call my my HighLevel phone number, this is the message you're going to get back. You want to make sure that you have a reply to stop to unsubscribe, a way for them to opt out, because if you don't, those are some things that you're going to automatically get flagged for, and you may have automatically get a D&D, or the messages won't go through. Also, actually, I'm going to move this over here. These are automatically going to be turned on, but if you're doing something more customized as well, then you may want to turn these off, but have it turned on in step 2. So the second way to do this, you can always leave these on here, but the second way to do this, I can actually turn that off, and I'm going to do it in an actual automation. So let me go over to the automation section and show you the recipe that they have here under automations. And what I mean by recipe is they actually already have, I usually start my workflows as from scratch here. So I go to create workflow and start from scratch and start building something out myself, but they actually have something called a recipe. So just like a recipe, we have some basic templates here that we can follow, and there's one actually for auto missed call text back. So I want to turn this one on. We're going to select the recipe and follow along with their setup. So they have the trigger already set, and let's click around here. The trigger now is set in this recipe, which I'm going to follow along with, Anytime I have an incoming call that I miss, busy, or it goes to voicemail, the call status is going to go ahead and trigger this automation workflow. So it's going to wait 2.2 minutes, seconds basically, so it doesn't feel like a bot. So when they call, it's going to assign, let's actually delete this, assign it to myself. Put this one here. And what we're going to do is add a tag. It's automatically going to add a missed call tag. And then it's going to go to, this is going to say that other message that we talked about earlier that I had in the business profile. Hey there, they have a template here. Sorry we missed your call. How can we help? So I can edit this. Hey there, this is Stacia's team. Sorry we missed your call. How can we help? And the location name is a custom value to the sub account that I have here. Or you can delete this custom value and just put in your name, or I'm going to put my assistant's name here, Mickey, and that's it. And we're just going to save that. And then this, yeah, so that's the text message to the lead. And then the push notification here is a notification that, hey, that goes to me either in app. There's actually 3 different notifications. This trigger is a notification in the mobile app that HighLevel has, and then I could send myself an email notification or a text message notification, which actually is the next example here, is an internal notification. This one's a push notification. This one's an internal text message notification. I can send a text to myself. So I'm going to select myself as the user. And I'm just going to go and edit this message here. Missed call. And from the customer's name you missed the call from, and the phone number, their name, contact's name. Oh, this is the username. I'm going to delete this. You missed the call, Stacia. Missed a call, Stacia, from, just missed a call from someone's, their phone number, their name, and please get back to them before the lead gets cold. That is it. I wanted to make sure that I get notified because I missed a call today. And I was like, oh, okay, maybe I should put this missed call text back in for myself. All right, thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions about auto missed call text back, you can also I'm actually going to put my other number right here on the screen, and you can test it. And I have a testing number, so test it out, see how it works. And if you have any questions, let me know. You know where to find me. If you do the auto missed call text back to my number and reply back to the messages, maybe we can book a call. Thanks for watching this video. If you want more help and support in setting this up for yourself, or you're new to GoHighLevel and you want to get started, make sure to look in this link in the description, of course, or keep watching my playlist and I'll show you exactly how to do all the things you need to do. If you don't see a video that I haven't done yet, make sure to comment below and I'll do a new one. All right. Thanks for watching. Much love and aloha. Have a great day.